How to change your text size on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to change your text size on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now scroll down and you can see the option for text size over here. Click on it. Now drag the slider to the left side to make your text size smaller. If you want to make the text size bigger, then drag it to the right side. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change the text size on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.